What's up guys, it's Chen here. Welcome back to another video. It has been way too long, like way too long, you know. Since I've last uploaded a video, I think it's about 3 months, which was my day in the life at McGill vlog. So if you guys have not checked that video out, I'll leave a link in the description, or maybe I'll put up a pop-up card somewhere on the screen. But you guys can go watch that. Almost at 10,000 views, 300 likes or so. So thank you guys so much for those who subscribed, watched the video. A lot of you guys commented and I answered a lot of your questions in the comments down below. If you guys want a formal Q&A, leave more questions down below. Maybe I'll make a separate Q&A video about it. But today is all about the college dorm tour. So as you guys know, most of you guys who will be going to college will be staying at a college dorm that is owned by the university instead of finding like a private apartment. I'm actually packing up to leave from this residence because I'm only guaranteed 1 year of residence, so I have to find an apartment. But yeah, so I got a lot of these boxes over here, got a big box over there. So that's what I've been doing pretty much to get ready to pack up. So that usually isn't there, but for the sake of the video, that is there. So pretty much the #1 comment on this video, again, thank you guys so much for the support, was to make more videos concerning school, studying, stuff like that. So I'll be doing that. I just been super busy this semester, but you know, I gotta try to stay consistent, but thank you for those who decided to stick around. But anyway, I'll have a bunch of vlogs coming out over this summer, a lot of traveling, vlogs like that. Hopefully you guys enjoy that too. And then obviously some school content once we're heading back into the next semester for fall of 2019. And then of course I'll probably do a bunch of other videos. We'll see what happens with this channel, but again, let's go on with the long-awaited dorm tour 2019 of McGill University. And just one more thing, this is a hotel-style residence. Not all colleges offer this type of residence, but pretty much it was an old hotel renovated for a student residence. So you do get some perks. Maybe I'll go over at the end. You get your own bathroom, at least just between you and your roommate, or if you happen to be by yourself. And it's pretty much like you use like a hotel key card to get in. So you use pretty much this to get inside to your dorm. And there's 24-hour security downstairs. So anyway, let's go on. So this right here is the front door. As you can see, like a hotel, you have the thing that scans a card. You can lock the door and it opens up into this kind of narrow hallway into the rest of the room over there. If you guys are wondering, I do have a roommate. I'm not gonna really show his side of the room, but it's pretty much double of what I have if you guys want to know. So this right here is the bathroom. So pretty standard style hotel bathroom here. So you got your sink right here. Pretty much all my stuff's on this side. You got your toilet over here. Over here is your shower just right behind the door. And then over here's the mirror. So the nice thing with this is that you just get to share it with you and your roommate, so you don't need to carry a caddy all the way down the hallway and use a communal bathroom. So that's why this is, you know, pretty nice to have your own bathroom. And right outside your bathroom is your closet. So pretty much I just hang up all my dress shirts, some sweaters, hoodies, winter coats and stuff like that. Definitely you need winter coats in Montreal depending on where you are. So I guess depending on where your college is, your closet situation might be different. But here is my closet over here. So right here guys is where I keep my shoes. Just as a recommendation, I think it's good to bring like an everyday shoe, a sneaker, a casual shoe that you can wear pretty much every day as well. Depending on the weather, rain boots or snow boots. For sure it snows a lot here in Montreal and rains a decent amount too. Pair of dress shoes for any nice formal event, and just other shoes that you find comfortable that's associated with the weather depending on where your university is. And I bought this black rubber mat, good for snowy weathers. Definitely recommend using it because you don't want the snow and all the dirt to drip onto the carpet. So heavily recommend using this if you're in snowy weather. So then you get this nice big mirror here, good for, you know, your outfit of the days. And then over here is, I put my laundry in the hamper over here. Got some drawers for any excess school material, stuff like that. And then some books over here, just so it's easier access for me to get my work done. And then obviously here's my desk pretty much. I know it's a little messy, but we got a light here, a good lamp. Got my laptop, pretty much an extension cord. I think extension cords are very useful, especially if you have a bunch of different chargers, whether it's charging your iPhone, your laptop, your headphones, or something like that. That could be very useful as well. I also do recommend getting a little trash can for any like tissues or little papers and stuff like that. Pretty much on the back of my desk is a bulletin board, so I think bulletin boards are very useful. Either this or a whiteboard I think is very good to have in your dorm. Hang up certain stuff, like over here you got some important dates. I also like to write down when I have my midterms and my final exams, anything also memorable or nice to keep, anything, you know, from your family or your friends, always really nice to have on there, as well as a good memory. And then pretty much here is my desk chair. Got rolling wheels on it, pretty nice. Right next over is my snack area. You know, always gotta have snacks on handy, especially when you're studying. You need a food break, right? Food breaks are always good. So any snacks here, as you can see, stocked up on some Trader Joe's items over here. Some cereal, some crackers, anything that's probably won't go bad too quickly is good. Just to store out here, and you can eat anytime you want. So I think that's good. Got also a blender here just in case I want protein shakes or stuff like that. That's also useful as well. And right below the snack aisle are pretty much my three main closets, or my wardrobes essentially. So on the top drawer over here, I got my shirts, long sleeves, short sleeves, athletic wear, all on the top. In the middle row, it's gonna be pretty much underwear, socks, stuff like that. You get the thing. And then down here is gonna be your pants and shorts. So that's where I keep all my pants and shorts. Pretty easy, simple way to divide all your clothes, just by, you know, short sleeve, long sleeve, pants, shorts. So that's how I do it over here. Right over here is the mini fridge. So I guess some of them you might have to buy a mini fridge, but this one we do have a mini fridge. We also have a TV screen over here. Pretty decent sized TV screen. I unfortunately don't really watch the TV, as you can see. The remote's pretty dusty. There's Netflix, YouTube, stuff like that. So this TV did come with the room. It also had free cable with it, which is pretty nice as well. Just don't really use it to my full advantage. I pretty much use it to watch sports, Super Bowl, etc. But it's nice to have a TV. So this right here is my bed. So it came with a full-size bed, which I think is like, if you know what a twin size bed is, I think it's like 2 times of a twin size, or 1.5 or something like that. So it's a decent sized bed, very comfortable, surprisingly comfortable for a university bed. And then you'll have like a nightstand table pretty much. Got to store pretty much other necessities that I do need up here. And then down here is pretty much more snacks and medicine. I think medicine's very useful, especially if you're in university, you get sick often, don't have time to go to the doctor. Gotta make sure you're able to cure yourself. On the opposite side is pretty much the middle area. So this is where I keep my Alexa, any other charging stuff I need to charge over here as well, and my alarm clock. Because I just triggered Alexa, but anyway, I like to use the regular alarm clock because I find it's louder. It's better also. And yeah, so that's what I use to wake myself up every morning. And then I guess that's just a nice added bonus as well. So right here is the view of my building. I'm on the 7th floor, by the way, of my residence. So at least my residence is on pretty much the main road here, so a lot of cars go by. You do hear some honking, or of course like the fire sirens and stuff like that. It is raining outside today, so pretty brutal weather. But yeah, pretty decent view. Could have been better because I think it goes up to 26 floors, my building at least. But it's at least we got, you know, solid view, which is nice. Definitely good to have natural light and windows in your dorms as well. So that is it for the 2019 college dorm room tour. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys could drop a like, subscribe if you are new to the channel as well. We'll be tossing out more college related content, maybe some school tips and stuff like that, what to bring to college if you guys are heading into university. Obviously congrats to all of those who got into university. Wherever you are, I'm sure it's a great school. I know, just not me, right? You guys have been binge watching those college reaction videos as well. Used to do that all on my free time. But anyway, if you guys want more videos, I'll try to get as much content as possible. I'm gonna have a lot of other vlogs from just like vacations and trips that I've been on. Hope you guys don't mind that. I'll be just tossing a lot of those out, some with friends, a lot of them in Asia and stuff like that, but I hope you guys do enjoy those as well. And yeah, of course, I'll get back to school content. If you guys want to do a Q&A, you guys can leave some questions down below. Maybe I'll make a Q&A video on that. But anyway, you could guys follow my social medias. Links will be in the description, or I'll put up a pop-up tag right here as well. I know I haven't been active on my social medias at all within the past like couple months or so, but I'll try to get back on track over the summer. Thank you again for watching the day in the life video. I really appreciate all the support from that. I hope my camera won't get too dusty next time I record something, but I'll see you guys next time with another video.